Hi Kelly, happy birthday from Joe at Disneyland. And here's your birthday button.
Hi Kelly, happy birthday. We miss you, we love you. We hope that you're doing good in Texas. Talk to you later.
Happy birthday, Kelly. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Kelly. Happy 28th birthday from Disneyland.
From Buzz.
Oh, and Buzz.
That's right.
Okay. Happy birthday, Kelly. Wish you were here with us on your 28th birthday. See you in about 20 minutes. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kelly. My name is Lisa. I work at California Adventure and wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Hi, Kelly.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kelly! This is Kelly, right?
Yep.
Alright, I did get it.
Good. You wave hi. Happy birthday, Kelly. All right, thanks. Cool. Awesome. Go.
Hey, Kelly, happy 28th birthday from Disneyland, Mickey Mouse.
Cool, thanks. Okay, I think the admissions lady is wishing you a happy birthday too, Kelly.